Riri University wa Nairobi uthite na mbere na kugumirwo ni mathina. AMEMBA na KANJU ya thukuru uyu ni maikitio ngono ni kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC magikuruhanio na uhuthiri muru wa wabici kuria mandikithirie wira Brian Ouma murugamiriri wa mihango university-ini ino mugaru na watho gatagati ka maundu mangi maria macukiirwo ari hamwe na kwigwatira indo cia muingi mugaru na watho.
Under the said section 46 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act that deals specifically, and if I may read, abuse of office. It must be an office. Your Honor, there is no office under the University Act, under the University of Nairobi Charter, called the member of the council. There is no such office.
The Ministry of Education revoked the council's chair and came back to his position by virtue of a court order through the Constitutional Court, but the same was not satisfactory to the Ministry of Education, where the chair members' positions were revoked and regazetted them to different universities. So the whole scenario is about removing the council members and the chair from the University of Nairobi.
Daniel Brian Ouma ni acukirwo gukorwo egwatĩire indo cia muingi cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 32.4 gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa 2015 nginyagia mwaka wa 2025 ari mawira-ini ngũrani ta munini wa murugamiriri wa university no gatagati ka mangi mawira maria ritwo ndakinyanirie ikiro cia gukorwo ari namo.
Since the persons before you have been submitting to the EACC without any feeling, it is only just and fair that this court delays in making them accused persons by the fact of them plea taking. We pray, Your Honor, that this application finds favor before you.
Ona kuri ogwo University no nirekereirie ndumiriri ya kuregana na ndeto ire ikoretwo igitambi iguru rigie thukuru uyu makiuga no ireka wega guoka ni mathomo no indi ni maracokio thutha ni macira maria mari igoti-ini mamegie thirikari nene kwaga kuminengera mbeca iria ithukirwo gutwarithia na mbere mihango yayo.
It deals with abuse of office.
Oho ni mareganite na ndeto ire ikoretwo igitambio ati muikariri giti wa KANJU no akoretwo agitua matua te gukuruhania memba KANJU ya thukuru uyu makiuga matua maria makoretwo magituo ni AMEMBA KANJU iri yothe makiuga vice chancellor na munini wake mandikirwo wira na njira iria yagiriire kuona ni marumirire makinya mothe maria magiriire makimandika.
It deals with abuse of office.
University ino ni yurite andu aria maramingirira na njira njuru matige na KANJU ino ere kwiruta wira wayo te kwenderio guoya na kungikinya no nginya AMEMBA KANJU ino mafuto na njira iria yagiriire. Kiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.